Dear friend, today I'm asking a very serious question. Is MG Motor is an ethical company? There is a small incident which I would like to share that has pushed me to ask a question to myself. I want to purchase a product from MG Motors? Is this company is really ethical company? Is this company really care their customer? Let's start with an event. MG has launched the new product called Aster in month of October. It's a good product, good pricing. It was something meeting our requirement as what we are looking at 10 lakh car. On day of Karwa Chauth, as a gift for my wife, I went to the Jubilant Motor Works ORR branch and I have done the initial booking. Later, the journey was horrible. On 27th October, I get a call from dealership telling me that they are discontinuing the style model or the model will be delayed by a significant time. They push me to upgrade to top end model. No, I don't aware of what's happening. I try to connect with the customer care of MG Motors. They told me that MG style model is continuing. On 29th October, I got a confirmation from the Jubilant Motor Works that my booking has been done and they do share my booking ID. During this 1 week, they have even not shared the payment receipt which I have done on 24th of October. On 6th of November, when I try to get more insight, I understand they share the fake booking ID. The booking was done on someone else's name. They told me that there is a delay of 9 to 12 months for the style and the super model, and if I move it to the top end model, they can give a delivery by the January or by the February. That pushed me to ask myself why there is a discrimination. Aster continue to deliver the product to the higher variant customer, but discriminating the customer with a lower variant. The second question I ask myself, is it ethical? Is it ethical for a company to push a date from 9 to 12 months because they know nobody is going to wait for such a long time and they automatically go away? And lastly, business focus. They knows there's a semiconductor shortage. They can only make 500 units. So try to focus to best on the top customers who's paying more than the customer who's paying less. Now I want to know your feedback. What is your feedback? Is MG Motors is an ethical company? Do you think MG is doing a discrimination with their customers? Do write your feedback in the comment section. It will really help me. It also really help MG Work Motors to understand what really the customer wants. Thank you.